Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Quick Share and Bluetooth on both devices and make sure Wi-Fi Direct is active. This gives the fastest link. Once done, place devices within about 3 meters and unlock them so pairing is immediate. Now select the files or folders you want to send, photos, documents, or a zip, and tap Share. Choose Quick Share from the menu and pick the target device. This initial sequence minimizes prompts and avoids delays, so transfers start without waiting for additional confirmations. Once the session is initiated, optimize the connection and file flow to speed transfer. Use Wi-Fi Direct instead of Bluetooth because throughput is much higher. Make sure both devices stay on the same network mode. Compress many small files into one zip so there is only one handshake and fewer metadata exchanges. Also, make sure background sync and heavy apps are paused so bandwidth and CPU are dedicated to the transfer. These adjustments reduce transfer time and prevent mid-transfer slowdowns or interruptions. To finish, verify the files on the receiving device. Open a few to confirm integrity and correct sizes. If the transfer stalls or hangs, cancel it, toggle Wi-Fi Direct or Quick Share off and on, then retry. Simple resets clear most connection glitches. If problems persist, switch to a personal hotspot or use a wired USB transfer as a fallback. This final step ensures you complete the job reliably. Make sure to re-enable any paused background services after the transfer is done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.